Ever found yourself struggling to organize your thoughts or connect complex ideas visually? Well, in this video, you'll learn exactly how to create a concept map on Canva, the easy and professional way for 2025. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone who loves clean visuals, this guide will help you bring clarity to your ideas in minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by heading over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up or log in. It's free and quick. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top and type in Concept Map. Hit enter and Canva will instantly show you a wide range of ready-made templates designed specifically for concept maps. These templates are great because they save you time and give you a strong visual foundation. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your theme. Whether you're mapping out study notes, business strategies, or creative ideas, when you find one that stands out, click on it, then select Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor, and this is where the fun really begins. Inside the editor, you'll see shapes, lines, and text boxes already laid out for you. Simply click on any text to edit it. Replace the placeholders with your own main ideas, subtopics, or keywords. Keep your text short but clear so your concept map looks neat and easy to follow. Want to make it more unique? Use Canva's sidebar tools to change colors, fonts, or layouts. You can even drag in icons, arrows, or images to make relationships between ideas stand out. Don't be afraid to experiment. Canva's drag and drop tools are beginner friendly and super intuitive. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to save your work. You can download your concept map as a PNG, JPG, or PDF. Perfect for sharing digitally or printing out in high quality. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional looking concept map using Canva. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize and organize your ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to keep exploring and experimenting with Canva. The more you play around, the more creative your results will get. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.